Good morning students, class 7 chapter number 15 perimeter and area, exercise 15.3. In the previous video we have completed exercise 15.3 up to question number 3. Now we start question number 4. So what is the question number 4? In the question number 4, the floor of a room is 6 meter long and 4.2 meter wide, and it has a border of 20 centimeter laid with green marbles. यानी कि एक रूम का फर्श है जिसकी लेंथ 6 मीटर एंड द ब्रेथ 4.2 मीटर एंड देयर इज अ बॉर्डर जिसकी जो विड्थ है वो 20 सेंटीमीटर इज गिवन एंड इट्स बॉर्डर इज कवर्ड विद ग्रीन मार्बल्स एंड रिमेनिंग पोर्शन इज कवर्ड विद व्हाइट मार्बल्स. So we have to find out area covered by green marbles and area covered by white marbles. So just we have to calculate firstly area of this portion ki area of border, and after this we have to find out area of portion in which white marbles are used. So in this question we have to consider that length of the bigger rectangle 6 meter, breadth of the bigger rectangle 4.2 meter, and we have to find out dimensions of smaller rectangle. And to find out length of the small rectangle we have to subtract from 6 meter 20 centimeter 2 times. So firstly we convert 20 centimeter into meter. So 20 by 100 it's mean 0.2 meter. So we find out length of smaller rectangle and breadth of smaller rectangle. Length of smaller rectangle 6 meter minus 2 multiply 0.2 meter, it means 6 meter minus 0.4 meter, and the value we obtained is 5.6 meter. So it is the length of small rectangle 5.6 meter. Similarly, we find out breadth of smaller rectangle. So from 4.2 meter we subtract 20 centimeter 2 times, it's mean 0.2 meter 2 times, to 4.2 meter minus 2 multiply 0.2 meter, यानी कि 4.2 meter minus 0.4 meter, and the value we obtained is 3.8 meter. So we can say that breadth of the smaller rectangle is 3.8 meter. Now we have to find out area of both rectangles, bigger rectangle as well as smaller rectangle, and area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. So firstly find out area of bigger rectangle, length multiply breadth, it's means 6 meter multiply by 4.2 meter, and their multiplication is 25.2 meter square. Now we calculate area of smaller rectangle. Area of smaller rectangle, it's mean length multiply breadth, so 5.6 multiply 3.8, 5.6 meter multiply 3.8 meter, and their multiplication is 21.28 meter square. Now we have to calculate area of the portion in which green marbles is used, and again area of the portion at which white marbles is used. So we have to calculate area covered with green marbles. Area covered with green marbles. तो इसका एरिया फाइंड करने के लिए वी हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम एरिया ऑफ बिगर रेक्टेंगल टू एरिया ऑफ स्मॉल रेक्टेंगल. इट्स मीन 25.2 मीटर स्क्वायर माइनस 21.28 मीटर स्क्वायर. And after subtraction, the value we obtained is 3.92 meter square. So it is the area of the portion covered with green marbles. Now we have to write area covered with white marbles. So it's mean area of small rectangle. So simply 21.28 meter square. So I sure question number 4 is clear. Just note down. Okay students, now we discuss question number 5. In the question number 5, two roads 3 meter wide have been constructed in the middle of a garden. एक गार्डन है जिसके मिडिल में दो रोड बनाई गई हैं क्रॉसिंग ईच अदर एट राइट एंगल लाइक दिस. इट इज अ गार्डन एंड टू रोड्स पासिंग थ्रू मिडल्स एंड intersect each other at 90 degree. It is given that width of the road 3 meter and length of the garden 35 meter, breadth of the garden 25 meter, and the rate of constructing the road rupees 80 per meter square, and we have to find out total cost of constructing the road. यानी कि इस क्वेश्चन में हमें ये फाइंड करना है कि रोड को कंस्ट्रक्ट करने के लिए कुल कितनी कॉस्ट लगेगी. सो फर्स्टली फाइंड आउट एरिया ऑफ रोड एंड आफ्टर दिस वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई रुपीज 80. तो हाउ कैन वी फाइंड आउट एरिया ऑफ द रोड? इसको समझने के लिए सपोज हमारे पास एक गार्डन है जहां पर ये दो रोड हैं. वन रोड लेंथ के पैरेलल एंड वन रोड parallel to the breadth and passing through middle, and we have to calculate area of both road. तो उसको समझने के लिए सपोज वी हैव टू ट्रांसफर कि हमें रोड का एरिया कैलकुलेट करना है. we suppose that द पोर्शन ऑफ रोड जो लेंथ के पैरेलल उसकी पोर्शन इस तरह से है एंड रोड जो कि ब्रेथ के पैरेलल उसकी पोर्शन इस तरह से है. यानी कि हमें इन दो रोड का एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. अगर हम बड़े रेक्टेंगल में से छोटे का एरिया माइनस करते हैं देन यू फाइंड आउट एरिया ऑफ रोड वेरी इजीली. सो वी चेंज द फिगर एंड वी कंसिडर दैट पोर्शन ऑफ द रोड is like this. It's mean it is a road parallel to the length and it is a road parallel to the breadth. Its width is 3 meter and its width also 3 meter. So to find out area of road, we find out area of bigger rectangle and area of small rectangle and subtract area of small rectangle from area of bigger rectangle. So we find out dimension of smaller rectangle. So length of smaller rectangle. तो 35 मीटर इज द लेंथ ऑफ बिगर रेक्टेंगल, तो वी सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम 35 टू 3 मीटर, यानी कि 35 मीटर में से हम 3 मीटर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, तो इट्स वैल्यू इज 32 मीटर. Similarly, breadth of smaller rectangle, so from 25 we subtract 3 meter, so it's mean 22 meter. Now we find out area of both rectangle. Firstly, area of bigger rectangle, and after this area of smaller rectangle. Area of bigger rectangle, it's mean length multiply breadth, so 35 meter multiply by 25 meter, and the value we obtain is 875 meter square. Now we have to find out area of smaller rectangle, length multiply breadth, it's mean 32 meter multiply by 22 meter, and their multiplication is 704 meter square. Now we can find out area of roads. Area of roads, it's mean area of bigger rectangle minus area of smaller rectangle, and the area we obtain 171 meter square. And now we have to find out cost. Cost for constructing the road, it's mean rupees 80 per meter square multiply 171 meter square, and the value we obtained 13,680 rupees. So I sure the question is clear, just note down.